Hey family, it's Cat Melendez, and I want to wish you all a very happy new year. Today I am bringing you an extreme office makeover. This is my husband's office. Watch as I transform this space. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like it. Stay tuned and watch how we transform this space. So to start, we are starting off with just adding an accent wall in the office. This is a sticky wallpaper. It was actually very easy to install, so hubby went ahead and took care of that. OMG, I love it. Look how beautiful this is. It instantly transformed the room without any decor being added. So we went ahead and installed some rods, and now we are hanging beautiful black velvet curtains. They are going all the way from your ceiling down to the floor. This really elevated the space, and curtains usually do elevate any space, but just make sure that you have the curtains hit the floor. So now I'm adding this beautiful gray abstract rug that I bought from Home Goods. And it is centering the room, and it actually complements the accent wall nicely. So it took me some time to find the perfect rug to really anchor the room, and I'm so glad that I found this piece. It really brought everything to life. And if you guys think that everything just has to be the same color, if you have to stay, you don't have to stay with the black and gold theme. You can play around with grays, you can play around with beiges. It all depends on, your pop of color and how you add it to really bring the room together without it looking too busy. So now we're getting into the fun part for me, which is always the decor. I'm adding these beautiful abstract paintings. I'm keeping everything abstract. Now this was actually bought from Ross. It was amazing. It's a hand-painted piece in black and gold and white, and it just really brought the room together. So I'm glad I found it. So now I'm adding this beautiful bookshelf. It is an abstract bookshelf. I ordered this from Amazon, and OMG, it was a very quality item for under $100. I was super satisfied with the quality and the overall look, and it was very easy to install and put together. I will do my best to link this in my description box below, as well as any pieces that I had in the video that there's a link for. So now I'm just adding decor pieces that are masculine and fun, all gold. I really love this man holding a world, because again, this was for my husband. So I wanted to choose pieces that I know he would like. And I was actually very surprised to have found all of these pieces from Ross. I don't even think I spent over $100 on all of the decor pieces. Now I'm just adding this book that says pray, and it's just a reminder to remind my husband and whoever comes into the office that when times get hard, you pray. That is how we get through. That is how we make it through, just casting our cares upon God. And so I'm topping this off with a beautiful gold vase and adding some magazines with some nice color to it. My husband is in the investment space, so I of course chose books that were in magazines that are in that industry, and then I'm adding books that he already reads. So a fun tip, this is a cost-effective way to elevate your bookshelves or your tables. Just adding some magazines or some fun books can really elevate your coffee table, your bookshelves. That's a very easy way to make a statement without breaking the bank. So here's a sneak peek of the before. I wanted to give you a view of the before I show you the after, to show how much this space was really transformed. It's unbelievable. And here is the after. Wow, I really did not expect this to turn out so beautiful, but it did, and my husband was so pleased. He loves to work in this space. He is happy with the overall look. He always is getting compliments about his office, and so I wanted to make sure I made hubby, comfortable with his workspace and just really inspiring him every day. So guys, I really hope that you like and enjoy this video. If you like videos like this of decor, of everything, all things home, I just invite you to subscribe. We have a lot of fun here on my channel, and I have a lot of cool content planned for you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe, and you hit that bell notification. And remember, elevate and decorate your space, guys.